Hi, everyone. I just wanted to thank all of my subscribers who have come to my channel. It has actually meant a lot to me. So, big thank you to everyone for getting me to the 1K subscribers. I started this channel with no intent of making it something that I would build and grow. I started this channel just to teach my aunt and uncle who had purchased their Tesla Model Y Juniper, but they lived 1,500 miles away, and I was trying to teach them things about how to use their Tesla, and it's really hard to teach somebody technology from that far away. So I figured I'd make YouTube videos that were short and simple and taught one thing, and that is what the channel started off being. If you look at all my early videos, they're real short and simple. This is how you charge the car. This is how you do this. And while creating these videos, I ended up having a lot more fun than I anticipated. This was not something in my normal wheelhouse. I'm an engineer for a living. I'm a very analytical, logical thinker. I don't really think of myself as too creative and artsy. And this was a fun experience for me. And as the channel started to grow and I started having more and more fun with it, I had to learn a ton about making thumbnails and editing and filming and just so much more. But it has truly been a pleasure. I'm going to continue to try and grow the channel, and I have an idea right now for kind of the content I've been making and the way I plan to move it forward to in the future. There's going to be 5 types of content that I plan to make as of right now. The first one's going to be my how-tos. I've been making how-to videos. They don't, from a view standpoint, do very well, but that was the purpose of this channel, and I plan to continue to do it moving forward. So there will be simple videos showing how to do a specific thing. I don't want to make 20, 30-minute videos with how to turn on your radio or how to, connect your phone. Those will be short, simple, regardless of the views. I built this channel to help teach people how to use their Tesla, and I will continue to make those videos. The second type of video I'm going to make are Tesla explained videos. So for Tesla explained videos, I'm going to do tangent conversations about different kinds of superchargers, or what kind of battery is inside of your Tesla, or where was your Tesla made. I already made that video. So Tesla explained content will be around that. I need to make playlists for some of these things in case people want to watch a category. I've only made 2 of my playlists, and I need to make more categories. The third type of video I plan to make are going to be FSD videos or software review videos, and I've been making these already. So these will be videos around either me or my wife and I taking the car everywhere to FSD it and to see what it's doing now, what it does in these scenarios, what it does in these cities or these circumstances, or what the new FSD updates are doing. Those are a lot of fun for us to do, and I can tell the viewers really enjoy it when my wife joins me on the channel. With the 2 kids that we have, it's kind of a trick to make us both get on the show at the same time, but we're doing our best because my wife enjoys these as well. The fourth type of content is going to be first-time Tesla. So again, I've noticed a lot of people are enjoying watching new people experience not just Tesla, but specifically FSD. I think most of the world does not know or understand how truly amazing full self-driving for Tesla has become. So I plan to continue making those videos, continue finding new people of all different ages and sex to get them behind the wheel of FSD and to get their reaction, and that should be fun. The fifth type of content I plan to make, I haven't made yet. I actually have had it planned out for over a month, and every time I go to do it, things come up and it doesn't happen. But I plan to do the namesake of the channel. So YouTube, my channel is called Testimonial Wisconsin, and Testimonial, a play on word from like a testimonial. I plan to talk to people who own Teslas, some who've owned it for a month, some who've owned it for years, 7 years, and I want to sit down and get their experience. Has it been amazing? Has it been terrible? What are the goods? What are the bads? What do they like? What do they wish were improved? They could even compare their Tesla if they have an older one. I have people who've had Teslas for 7, 8 years, and they could compare it to my newer one, and they could see how far it's come, and it should be very interesting. Talk about, their experience with maintenance and other weird oddities that their cars had. So I'm looking forward to those videos. I actually have 2 lined up to do, but we've had to move the timing of those 2 videos multiple times just because life happens. But those testimonials are coming. They will be on their way. So that's what I know I have planned, and that is what the channel will be about. I do have more ambitious goals and different goals. I don't know if it would fit this channel perfectly. If the channel does well, because I've liked Tesla since the very beginning. I followed them. I'm a big car guy, and I don't just pigeonhole myself into one type of car. I like gas cars. I enjoy diesel vehicles. I enjoy electric vehicles. When Elon and Tesla first came out in, I think, '08, I was reading along with everything they could come out with. They had their ludicrous mode and their Model S 70D or whatever, 90D. I don't remember all of those. I don't remember it all, but I was following along with it, and it was just really interesting, exciting technology to me. I want to get a Cybertruck. So if this channel does well and if things go well for me personally, financially, I would like to sell the F-150 that I have, and I would like to purchase a Cybertruck for myself. So then this channel could have Tesla Model Y Juniper videos, and it could have Cybertruck videos. So that is something that is a possibility. And one thing I've mentioned a few times in the videos, I'm hoping, if everything works out well, when the Tesla Model YL comes to the USA. I know it's in China now. I just saw reviews that it's coming to Europe, but if it comes to America, I would like to sell our Y Juniper for a Model YL because I want that third row seating for my family. So that would be another future potential car that could come. The last thing is more of a weird outlier, and I don't know that it fits the niche of this channel, or if I need to make a new channel or what. But I've mentioned multiple times that one of my biggest passions in life is cars, and not just looking at them, but physically racing them. I love racing cars, drifting cars, going to the track, doing different things, road racing, grip racing, drifting. I'd love to try rally racing, but that's a whole different thing. I know this channel is not really built around that. I think a lot of the people that watch these videos are either interested in getting a Tesla for daily driving, or they have a Tesla and they're looking at learning what's new or whatever. But I'm tempted to sell my Infinity drift car that I'm using and to buy an older Model 3, like a 2018 Model 3 rear-wheel drive, and then I could make content around modifying that car and taking it to track days, doing drifting, doing road racing, seeing how the battery keeps up, how the car handles it, does it overheat, how does it work compared to other cars. I have 20 years of racing experience behind me, so that'd be an interesting comparison. But again, I don't know if that would be a good fit for this channel or not. I don't know. So please comment down below in this video and let me know if a Cybertruck or if a YL or if a racing Model 3, a track, I'd drive it on the street, but it would be made for track use. I'd put racing seats in it and lower it and do a whole bunch of stuff to it to make sure that I could beat the snot out of it on the track. And let's see, how does it keep up with other cars and how does it handle itself? Does the thing burn to the ground because the batteries overheat? I don't know. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. But please continue to like and subscribe. Tell your friends about this. Tell your family about this. And I look forward to moving forward with this channel with all of you. Thank you.